Welcome to Lily Simple English. We will learn English together through easy stories, slow speaking, and fun family adventures. Chicago's beautiful at night. Look at all those lights. It's magical, isn't it? Perfect for our adventure. Wow, kids, look at this place.
It's so big and so pretty. Our home for the next few days.
Welcome to the Lakeshore Grand.
The city is so beautiful at night. I'm so happy we're all here together. Let's go inside. The food here is supposed to be amazing. I can't wait to try it all. It's going to be so delicious.
Almost there, everyone.
It's so beautiful. Wow, look, so cool.
Good evening. We have a reservation under Ryan Thompson.
Yes, that's me.
Welcome to the Lumiere Hotel. Here are your key cards.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Noah, this card is for our hotel room.
Oh, for the door?
Exactly. And this one is for buying things. These cards are important, Noah. We need them to get into our room.
Okay, Dad.
I'm so proud of you, Noah.
Thanks, Dad.
You're a brave boy.
I love you. Noah, your cap is so cute. Lily, stop it. You're blushing. I'm not.
Wow, look! The numbers are glowing!
It is pretty magical, buddy.
So peaceful.
All right, everyone. Let's go.
Wow, it's so bright and pretty. What's in the bag, Daddy?
It's our adventure bag. Want to see?
Yes, please.
Look, Noah. Our wallets.
Wow, a rocket.
That's right, buddy. Look, Noah. Our room keys.
Wow, can I see?
Of course. This one is for our room. Look, Noah. All the money is safe right here.
Wow, that's a lot, Dad.
It is. We're going to be just fine.
Everything we need is in here. It's a big trip.
Noah, this bag is very important. It holds our family stories. Take good care of it.
This spaghetti looks so yummy. And the cake. We have to try it.
It all looks amazing.
I'm hungry too.
Hey, check this out. Riverside Park is right nearby.
Oh, that sounds lovely. A park?
Yeah! We can walk to the nearby park. I'll use my phone to guide us.
Lily, look at this dessert menu!
Wow, Noah, what do you see?
The chocolate cake looks amazing!
Dad, can we get dessert?
Of course, buddy. That cake looks good.
Yay! Thank you, Dad.
Welcome to Chicago, everyone.
It's beautiful. So many lights.
Wow!
Wow, the lights are so pretty.
They are. It's magical.
So sparkly. Noah, look! The toy shop!
Wow, it's glowing.
Let's go see!
Yeah!
Noah, I know it's been a long day.
I'm okay, Dad.
We'll get through this together. Noah, don't move.
Okay, Dad.
Hold this for me.
I have it.
Those churros look amazing.
Let's get some for the kids.
Don't go in alone, Noah. I remember, Ryan. I won't move. Noah, wait! Where are you going? Please, don't go alone. Noah, is that you? Lily, I'm here at the toy shop. Mom? Mommy, where are you? I'm scared.
Dad? Where are you, Dad? Dad, please.
I'm lost.
Stay close. Noah can't be far.
I hope he's okay. I'm scared.
Noah! Noah!
He was just here. Where is he?
Noah!
The hotel name is here. I can go back.
We cannot find him.
I can do this.
That was close.
I will hold it tightly now.
There it is.
This is not my hotel.
Hello?
Is this the right hotel?
Yes, it is. Welcome.
Are you lost? Yes. I don't know where to go. It's okay. We'll help you. Noah, is everything all right? Yes. It's okay. You're safe here.
Show me the hotel card. That's it. Thank you, Noah.
Your hotel is nearby. Really? Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good night.
2 streets away.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, dear.
There it is.
I found it.
I am safe. The elevator.
Tenth floor.
I remember now. My room is close.
There. I made it.
The card works.
I am tired. I will wait here.
My eyes are closing. I will rest for 1 minute. Mom? Dad? Where is everyone?
Maybe they are downstairs.
I will go downstairs and look for them.
Oh no! The door closed! My hotel card is inside.
I need help. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course, dear. What's wrong?
My family is gone, and my card is inside the room.
It is okay. We will go downstairs together.
Maybe he went back to the hotel.
Let us go now.
It's right over there, dear.
The front desk.
This boy is lost. Oh dear. Don't worry, we'll help you.
I'm scared. What is your room number? 1008.
Your family is looking for you.
Really?
Yes. They came here before. They will come back soon.
You are safe now. I was scared.
I know. You're safe with me. It's easy to get distracted.
I should not leave the bench.
You learned something important today.
Mom! Noah!
I am sorry.
You are safe. That is enough.
We are together again.
It's okay, we all make mistakes.
I should listen better next time.
Let us go upstairs together.
I am hungry again.
We should eat now. Back in the room.
Everything feels calm now. I love you, Mom and Dad.
We love you too.
We love you too. The city is quiet now. Noah is finally safe.
His family is together again. Tomorrow will be better.
The end. Thank you for learning with us today. Did you enjoy the story?
Tell us your favorite part in the comments. And do not forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.